Oh. Oh. Ooh, still hot. Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to make the traditional Cambodian food video, which is fried fish, and then we will eat with green mango salad. Cambodian mango salad, it's really different because we're going to make it with garlic, shallot, green onion, chili, and tomato, salt, and sugar. It's really tasty, you guys will see, and I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. But I'm making some rice right now. So here are the two fish that I'm going to fry, and it's already like clean up and stuff from the store. You know, when you buy them, you just ask them to clean it for you. And one green mango, tomato, chili, and green onion, shallot, and garlic. And of course we're going to have some like sugar and salt, stuff like that. So we will start it with the mango salad. Okay, so we will start with mango. Take off the skin. You can use these, or you can just use knife, but that's what we like do, and I like to do all the time, just doing that with my knife. If you're not comfortable, you just use the one that I just shown you. That works great too. But this is what we did in Cambodia. You know, in Cambodia we don't have any like vegetable peelers or vegetable like shredders. I think that's what you call. We only have knife. So like that. Okay, now it's green onion. We're going to cut it into small pieces. Just one string of green onion should be enough, because we just want to put it. Do you hear my daughter? Cut into small pieces like that. And then chili the same. Chili cut into small pieces too, and it's really optional. If you don't want it to be a little bit spicy, you don't need to put chili on, but you know, I love spicy food, so that. And then I will do just one clove of garlic. You know, just to get the smell and flavor it a little bit, so you don't have to use so much garlic. So one medium clove of garlic should be enough. You can mince it like into, you know, like small pieces. Or you can just slice it like that. But I like mine a little bit minced, not like so small, but enough like that. And here is the shallot. And then I will cut it into. Shallot actually is really good with mango salad. It's give really good smell and a little bit of strong flavor, you know, like a little bit of like, you know, like onions when you cut, you're crying. But the shallot gives that some kind of strong flavor to mango salad. So that's why we put some shallots in there. So I will use, like you see, this is one tomato. I use this much. If you have like smaller tomatoes, it works great too. Like just use one small one, or the cherries tomatoes, you can use like 2 of them. It should be good. And then just cut it. That should be good. So I will add like sugar, salt and other ingredients into the mangoes, and then we mix it really well together. So sugar, and then garlic, shallot, green onion, chilies, and tomato. So if you have gloves, you can wear and mix it, but I don't have gloves today. I'm going to use just my fingers, and then after I mix it everything, I can just wash my hands off. So just mix it really well. Mix it real well. It's gonna be straight. Oh. It was intense. Oh. I should put my hair like this when I'm frying fish, so it cannot get into my face, right? Let's take a few bites. Okay, hands. Excuse back there, it's messy. Anyway, ooh, still steamy hot. I'm telling you, this is the best. The fish is like still hot, so it's like so good. Guys, that's how we eat in Cambodia, just hands. Everyone's. Oh. Ooh, still hot. Ooh. Oh, yes. So amazing. I mean, do you guys like eat these two, like, you know, mango salad with like fish or rice and stuff like that? I believe that a lot of Cambodians people, for example, like me, live in other countries, which we don't really eat this almost like every day. So when I see something like this, it makes me miss Cambodia so much. Of course, I miss Cambodia. I miss the food. In my village, they always said if you eat the fish tail, you will learn how to swim really fast. I mean, like, I know it's not true, but old people always like trick us into that, so we can eat the tails and they eat all the meat. So mean. But we believed it when we were young. We always like, yeah. This salad is like spicy, it's a little bit sour from the mango and tomato. Little bit sweet, little bit salty. I don't know how to tell you, but it's almost like eating papaya salad. It's the same flavor. It's like so flavorful. Okay, so when you go buy fish, make sure that you tell them that I want boneless fish, which means they still have some bones, but they are big. So because some fish, you know, they have these tiny bones that every time you take a bite, you just feel like you're eating these tiny bones that it like choke you. Good. So if you eat with other people, you can put 1 spoon in the salad, 1 spoon with the fish, and of course you have your own plate of rice, so you don't really need to worry about it. So that way you can share the spoon, so it doesn't like look like you put your whole fingers in your food. But I see I'm all by myself, so I'm enjoying my food. Okay. So whatever left is gonna be my dinner again. I mean, like my husband, he eats, but not so much, you know, because I grew up with this food. So I'm like, I can eat this all day. Like mango salad with fried fish and rice. I'm like, oh, I'm in paradise. Anyway, just let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think about this mango salad, fried fish, and eat with rice? Would you like to give it a try? And also, did you ever eat this mango salad before? Just let me know. Anyway, have a good day, guys. Take care, stay safe and healthy.